What if the charting platform you're using isn't actually the best fit for your trading style and goals? We all know TradingView. It's become almost synonymous with online charting, a go-to for millions of traders and investors worldwide. Its intuitive interface, vast array of indicators, and vibrant social community have cemented its place in the trading landscape. But what if I told you that for certain strategies, certain needs, or even certain asset classes, there are platforms out there that not only compete with TradingView but, dare I say, surpass it? Let's be clear, TradingView is excellent. For many, it's the perfect blend of functionality and user-friendliness. Its cloud-based nature means you can access your charts from anywhere, and the social features allow for incredible idea sharing and learning. However, its strengths, while significant, also highlight where other platforms might offer a more tailored, powerful, or cost-effective solution. Consider for a moment the serious day trader or futures trader who demands ultra-low latency data and advanced order flow analysis. While TradingView offers some order flow tools, platforms like NinjaTrader are built from the ground up for this kind of intense, high-frequency trading. NinjaTrader excels in futures and forex, offering highly customizable charting, advanced order types, and sophisticated backtesting capabilities that cater to professional traders who need every edge. It might have a steeper learning curve and a different pricing model, often free for charting but requiring a paid license for live trading, but for those deep into futures, its dedicated features can make a real difference. Then there's the realm of institutional-grade data and comprehensive market analysis. If you're managing a significant portfolio, delving into in-depth fundamental analysis, or require real-time news feeds and economic data integrated seamlessly with your charts, Bloomberg Terminal or Refinitiv Icon come to mind. These are not direct alternatives in the sense of a casual trader looking for a free charting tool. They are professional-grade powerhouses with a hefty price tag. But their breadth of data, analytical tools, and connectivity to global markets are unparalleled, offering insights far beyond what a retail-focused platform can provide. For option traders, platforms like Thinkorswim by Charles Schwab stand out. While TradingView offers options charting, Thinkorswim provides an incredibly robust options analysis suite, including complex strategy builders, probability analysis, and a highly customizable trade interface specifically designed for options. Its paper trading environment is also top-notch, allowing for extensive practice without real capital. What about those seeking advanced automated strategies or deeper customizability for indicators? MetaTrader 4, MT4, and MetaTrader 5, MT5, while perhaps visually less appealing than TradingView to some, are industry standards for Forex and CFD trading. Their strength lies in their extensive ecosystem of expert advisors, EAs, for automated trading and the MQL programming language, allowing for highly specific custom indicators and strategies. If algorithmic trading is your focus, MT4/MT5 offer a level of control and community-developed tools that TradingView doesn't quite match. And finally, for fundamental investors who prioritize deep financial data visualization and company-specific analysis, platforms like Koifin or even the more robust paid services from ZaxTrade or Benzinga Pro can offer a different value proposition. While they might not have the same extensive technical indicator library as TradingView, their focus on financial statements, analyst ratings, news sentiment, and economic data can be invaluable for a long-term, fundamentally driven approach. So, while TradingView remains a fantastic, versatile tool, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Depending on whether you're a high-frequency futures trader, a dedicated options strategist, an algorithmic enthusiast, or a deep-dive fundamental investor, there's likely a platform out there that aligns even more perfectly with your specific needs, offering specialized tools and data that can truly elevate your trading or investing game. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.